Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, we're going to be talking about three things that are moving the crypto market today. And unfortunately, that is a little bit downward, but we are still bullish here at the Crypto Report. And I'm going to tell you guys why. But let's go over some of these stories. One, we're going to talk about Silvergate Capital, a crypto-friendly bank. Two, we're going to talk about Binance and some more FUD being spread by senators in the US about this massive crypto exchange. And three, inflation data. It is absolutely impertinent that you guys are on top of this data release as it comes out here in the month of March. Without further ado, let's get into the content. But if you like it, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. When we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. Guys, the markets have been trading sideways to flat lately. This is exactly what Black Sea and I have been talking about on this channel every single day. Tonight, we have a live stream at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure you check it out. But right now, Bitcoin's at $23,347. Ethereum is below $1,700, trying to hang on to the $1,600 price level. And there's a lot of reasons why we're trading, sideways. Keep it in mind, guys, over the last 3 months, we're still so far up, and we are moving into a bull market. This is always something I want to remind you. When you're looking at the general price, we are looking at a cheap price for Bitcoin. It's a great time to be dollar cost averaging, but there's a couple things that are driving this market down. Bitcoin's trying to decide what it wants to do right now. We've drawn some key levels that we've been talking about every single day on this channel, and until we get a break above $25,000 and $25,300, we're not going to $30,000 just yet, guys. But as soon as we do break above this, we can kind of go off to the races. Really not sure. Can we go down to $21,000? Absolutely. Can we break above this $25,000 price level any minute, day? Sure. I mean, there's a couple things, though, we got to look out for. One is Coinbase. This is a very interesting thing. Coinbase came out and they said they are no longer accepting or initiating payments to or from Silvergate. Silvergate is a crypto-friendly bank, and if you look at the stock price for Silvergate, you can see back in August of 2022, they were at $100 plus. Today, they're only trading at $8.10. It's down it's down like 90%, which is absolutely incredible. This crypto-friendly bank has been getting attacked from all angles. At one point, BlackRock came out and said, hey, we're actually buying this. I don't know how true that really turned out to be, because look how big this has dumped. And if you just look at the last couple months, it has dumped like 60% just in the last month or so. The biggest fall off the map was right here around the FTX crash, just like everything else, This was the FTX crash, guys, and this caused this to tumble. This is when BlackRock talked about buying it. Anyway, it came right back down because they did not release some of the data about, how they're performing right now. They're trying to get everything together because they're fearful that the DOJ and regulators are going to kind of come after them, so they want to make sure they get their ducks in a row, but it's not a good look for them, which is why, guys, it is probably a better idea just to buy cryptos rather than some of these crypto stocks, right? Now, Coinbase might be the exception, but Silvergate Capital, if you bought this, you're absolutely getting crushed right now. I prefer to hold Bitcoin personally, not financial advice, but let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. Two, another big thing that we got to talk about here with crypto today, why we're trading sideways to down, is Binance is getting attacked again. A hotbed. Oh, look at this language. A hotbed of illegal financial activity. Senators claim. Well, what senators? Oh, by the way, these are bipartisan senators. Bipartisan means, hey, you know what? It's not on the left. It's not on the right. This is not political at all. Bipartisan. Guys, anything to do with politicians is always political. And then let's see. Oh, yes. It's Senator Elizabeth Warren leading the pack. A letter from Senator Elizabeth Warren. She clearly hates crypto. She's doing everything she can do to attack it. So what do? You try to cut off the head of the snake, which is exactly what she's trying to do here with Binance, and it's not going to work. The jig is up, Senator Elizabeth Warren, but in the meantime, there's fear in the crypto markets. But I think the biggest thing we all have to consider is the inflation data that's coming out. Guys, if you can see it right here on March 14th here, they are coming out with more CPI data. It's going to be the CPI data for February. Last time we got data was on February 14th. So we are waiting to see what this is. Now, recently, they came out with some PCE data, And that scared investors. And that is a big reason why I believe we have been struggling to break above $25,000 Bitcoin. Now, when this news comes out, if it shows that we're still on a good track and inflation is being fought against properly by the Fed, then we can expect a big move to the upside. But regardless of whether we go up or down, you can guarantee one thing, and that is that we are going to have extreme volatility. When you guys look historically at these charts surrounding some of this inflation data, you can see January back in 2022, it had a 2% move, a 3% move in the February data. You know, you can kind of go, there's a 7% move in May. And really, if you look at where the timing is on these charts, there are big moves surrounding this. You know, in this case, boom, we kind of came down. March must have been, you know, a progress. Boom, we kind of came back up. You can see back in June 10th of 2022, huge downward move because of big, well, first of all, it's a bear market. Second of all, this inflation is stoking fears, right? Things have not been so good. So expect a lot of volatility surrounding these events, guys. And if you're a trader, please be careful. There's a lot of great tools out there like leverage trading to make money, but these are very dangerous times to be doing it. So trade responsibly, guys. If you do want to trade in leverage, you know, we have links in the description down below. Check those out. But one thing's for sure, guys, over time, regardless of the day-to-day volatility, the month-to-month volatility, Bitcoin's coming out of a bear market, moving into a bull market. Right now, we are at the buying opportunity in this stage of where crypto's at. You look logarithmically, you look at this chart and you know that Bitcoin is going up. And at some point, we could even break above a $200,000 Bitcoin per share. And if you're buying altcoins, there are bigger gains even out there compared to Bitcoin. Of course, you got to pick the right altcoins and invest, you know, at your own risk. Don't invest more than willing to lose, guys. But make sure if you're into crypto, you're doing your research and you're dollar cost averaging. And then we got to take profit when the bull market comes, folks. We are giving away a loaded line when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Do make sure you check this out by following us at _crypto report on Twitter. If you are a YouTube member on this channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you are a member. All you have to do to become a member is join right here on the YouTube page or in the link in the description down below. What you get is access to our private Discord to talk with Black Sea and myself, and you get these loyalty badges in the chat and during the live chat, and these custom emojis during our live streams. There's one tonight. Make sure you don't miss it, guys. That's all I got today. Get ready. March 14th is going to be a big day. Guys, ignore the FUD. Do your research, dollar cost average in the projects you believe in, and get ready to make some money. Are you going to make $1,000? Are you going to make $10,000, $100,000? Are you going to make millions? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.